Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone bottom panel, and now just to mute device ringtone, we should swipe this dot to the left side here. Also, we can do it by the second way, but first be sure that here in advanced settings, in volume button control, we have selected ringtone volume. So if you have selected the media volume, switch it to the ringtone, and after that, by press down volume button, we can also mute our device ringtone. And we can also do it by the third way, just with our finger slide to the down this volume panel. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.